Well, this is a small version of what I've been sucking into my vacuum cleaner. He's only, what, 2 inches across? I've had 3.5 and 4 inches. Same spider, little body, long legs. Here's the technology I use to take care of the problem, so you'll have to excuse the noise. You saw me get him. I don't know if I got it on video or not. Oh, here's a little bitty one. You let the vacuum run for a minute to make sure they're heavily embedded into all the dust and crap. Now, the one thing I can promise you is he's definitely dead. See, he's not in the tube. Right? Isn't that everybody's fear? See? All gone. So that must have been the grandson to the two big ones I got the other night. So they're getting in the house somewhere. Don't know where. Anyway, I talked about this before. I've just never posted a video on it, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you, bye.